Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco. Here, black has 4 pawns while white has 1, and black c2 pawn is threatening to promote to a queen. White to play and draw. Now white is threatening to promote the pawn to a queen. Rook to f4 check. Instead of rook to f4 check, what if rook to c4, threatening to capture the pawn on c7, then black is lost as follows. Black rook cannot capture on c7, because white rook will capture the pawn on h4 and checkmate. Now black promotes the pawn with a queen, however, white also promotes to a queen with check. Still, black cannot capture the queen because of the threatening mate on h4. And checkmate. Let's now go back to the game. Rook to f4 check. Here white is threatening rook to a8 and checkmate. If black captures the rook, then the pawn on c7 will promote to a queen and checkmate. So the check is forced. Now white rook is threatening to capture on h4 and checkmate, and black queen is forced to defend it. Again white is threatening mate on h6. And the final sacrifice that saves white, because it's stalemate. White king has nowhere to go.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.